Today we shall work out some more problems based on the application of compound interest formula. In this series, our first question is question number 1. The cost of a machine depreciates by 10% every year. If its present worth is rupees 18,000, what will be its value after 3 years? क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल है. किसी मशीन का कॉस्ट एवरी ईयर 10% से डिप्रिसिएट करता है, डिक्रीज करता है. अगर प्रेजेंट वैल्यू मशीन का रुपीज 18,000 है तो आज से आफ्टर 3 इयर्स उसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? वी हैव टू फाइंड इट. इसके लिए सबसे पहले हम लोग उस इंफॉर्मेशन को कलेक्ट करेंगे जो क्वेश्चन में प्रोवाइडेड है. हियर प्रेजेंट वैल्यू जो कि V0 होगा वो है रुपीज 18,000. रेट ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन 10% per annum. Every year means per annum. Or number of year after which we have to find the value of the machine is 3 years. Therefore, the value of the machine after 3 years, अगर इस वैल्यू को V सपोज कर लें तो V will be given by V0 times 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. V0 is given as rupees 18,000, so it is 18,000. 1 minus the rate of depreciation is 10%, so R will be replaced by 10%. Therefore, it is 10 by 100. We will replace the value of n by 3. In the next step, 18,000 into 1 minus 10 by 100. 10 by 100 can be reduced as 10 10 100, so 1 by 10. After simplification, 1 minus 1 by 10 comes 9 by 10, and so 9 by 10 to the power 3. Now, in the next step, 18,000 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. Clearly, there are 3 tens in denominator, so all the 3 tens will divide 18,000 in 18 times. So, we cancel all the 10 and give here 18. Therefore, the value after 3 years will be 13,122 in rupees. So, the value of the machine after 3 years is rupees 13,122. Answer. Our next question is question number 2. The population of a town increases by 20% every year. If its present population is 2,16,000, find its population after 2 years and 2 years ago. ये क्वेश्चन किसी टाउन के पॉपुलेशन पर बेस्ड है. टाउन का प्रेजेंट पॉपुलेशन है 2,16,000 और उसमें इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है एवरी ईयर 20%. सो रेट ऑफ इंक्रीमेंट इज 20% पर एनम. इस इंफॉर्मेशन पर बेस्ड आफ्टर 2 इयर्स पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टाउन क्या होगा? वी हैव टू फाइंड इट. एंड बिफोर 2 इयर्स पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टाउन क्या था ये भी हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. So now one by one we find out the two values. First of all, we collect the information provided in the question. Present population of the town को अगर P0 से indicate करें तो P0 is 2,16,000 and rate of increment in population is 20% per annum. Every year का meaning यही है. Every year means per annum. Now, in part 1, the time period after which we have to find out the total population of the town, that is n, number of years, equal to 2 years. And so, total population of the town, अगर P से indicate किया जाए, then P will be P0 times 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. P0 will be replaced by 2,16,000 into 1 plus R will be replaced by 20%, so it is 20 by 100 and then n is replaced by 2. In simplification, we find 2,16,000 into the terms under bracket 120 by 100 to the square, 120 by 100 into 120 by 100. Clearly we can say this 0 can be cancelled by this 0, and 1, 2, 3, there are 3 zeros more, and so these 3 zeros will be balanced by these 3 zeros. In the next step, 216 into 120 into 12, 3,11,040 ये पॉपुलेशन हुआ. Therefore the required population 3,11,040. सेकेंड पार्ट में जो टाइम पीरियड है वो 2 years बिफोर है. नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स वंस अगेन इट इज 2 years, लेकिन इस बार जो पॉपुलेशन हमें फाइंड आउट करना है वो 2 years बिफोर करना है. ऐसे केस में जो प्रेजेंट पॉपुलेशन है उसको हम फाइनल पॉपुलेशन एज्यूम करेंगे और 2 years बिफोर जो पॉपुलेशन होगा उसे हम इनिशियल पॉपुलेशन एज्यूम करेंगे. एंड देयरफॉर पी नॉट इज नॉट अवेलेबल. 2 years बिफोर क्या पॉपुलेशन है वी आर नॉट नोन. Number of years before which we have to find the population is 2 years. P equal to 2,16,000. Therefore, the formula will be applied. P equal to P naught times 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. In the next step, जिस टर्म का इंफॉर्मेशन क्वेश्चन में अवेलेबल है उसे रिप्लेस करेंगे. Therefore, P is replaced by 2,16,000 and P naught will be as it is. Then P naught times 1 plus R is still 20, and so 20 by 100 once again is 2, so 2,16,000 equal to P naught times here 1 plus 20 by 100 means 120 by 100. And since there is power 2, so 120 by 100 square. That means 120 by 100 into 120 by 100. This 0 can be cancelled by this 0 and this 0 can be cancelled by this 0. Now we have an equation in P naught. So to find the value of P naught, we remove the numbers with P naught. Therefore, 2,16,000 into 100 by 12 into 12. Now 2,16,000 is divisible by 12 into 12 means 144 in 150 times, and so it will be the value of the term in right side, that is P naught. Therefore, the population of the town before 2 years means P naught equal to 1,50,000. Answer. Our next question is question number 3. The machinery of a certain factory is valued at rupees 18,400 at the end of 1980. If it is supposed to depreciate each year 8% of the value at the beginning of the year, calculate the value of the machine at the end of 1979 and 1981. इस क्वेश्चन में जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है, now we arrange them. First of all, we take the year 1980. 1980 से पहले और 1980 के बाद, इससे पहले का जो ईयर होगा 1979 और 1980 के बाद जो ईयर होगा that will be 1981. Now we proceed from here. The value of the machinery provided in the question at the end of year 1980 is given rupees 18,400 and rate of depreciation is given 8%. So we will mention as rate of depreciation is 8%. 8%. इसलिए इस ईयर में अगर हमें वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है तो इस ईयर 1979 के लिए 1980 फाइनल वैल्यू होगा, और इसलिए इस ईयर में जो भी वैल्यू रहा होगा उसे हम एज्यूम करेंगे एज V naught. और इस वैल्यू को हम एज्यूम करेंगे एज V, therefore V0 is unknown and so V equal to 18,400. Now the number of year 1 year. Now to find the value of V, we will use the formula V equal to V0 times. Now after this 1 प्लस होना चाहिए यहाँ पर, but in the case of depreciation it will be minus, and so 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. According to question, V will be replaced by 18,400 equal to V0 times 1 minus R. R will be replaced by 8, so 8 by 100. N is 1 year, so it will be 1. In the next step, we have 18,400 equal to V0. 1 minus 8 by 100 means 92 by 100. Therefore, it is 92 by 100. And now we have an equation in V0. So, we solve it for V0. And V0 will be given by 18,400 into 100 by 92. Clearly 92 will divide 18,400 in 200 times. Therefore, we find the value of V0 20,000 in rupees. Answer. For the year 1981, we will have to assume V0 as 18,400 in rupees and R is still 8%. N will be 1 year. Now, to find the final value of the machinery, we use the formula V equal to V0 times 1 minus R by 100 and to the power n. V equal to V0 18,400 into 1 minus 8 by 100 to the power n. In the next step, we have 18,400 into 1 minus 8 by 100 is 92 by 100. 92 by 100. Clearly 18,400 is divisible by 100 in 184 times, and so 184. Now to find the value of V, we multiply 184 and 92, which gives 16,928 in rupees. So the final value of the machinery at the end of year 1981 is 16,928 rupees. Answer. Our next question is question number 4. The present value of a scooter is rupees 15,360. If its value depreciates 12 upon 1 by 2% every year, find its value after 3 years. Simple meaning of the question ये है कि किसी स्कूटर का प्रेजेंट वैल्यू रुपीज 15,360 है और इसका वैल्यू एवरी ईयर डिप्रिसिएट कर रहा है बाय 12 अपॉन 1 बाय 2% से. We have to find the value of the scooter after 3 years. Now we collect the information, this one, and find the value of the scooter after 3 years. The present value को हम V0 से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे और सो V0 इक्वल टू रुपीज 15,360. Rate of interest is 12 upon 1 by 2%, that is 25 by 2% per annum, and the number of years is 3 years. Therefore, we proceed to find the final value of the scooter after 3 years. V equal to V0 times 1, and after this प्लस साइन होगा या माइनस साइन होगा, ये इस पर डिपेंड करेगा कि इन द क्वेश्चन रेट ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन है या रेट ऑफ इंक्रीमेंट है. क्लियरली इट इज द रेट ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन, सो इट विल बी साइन ऑफ माइनस. एंड नाउ 1 माइनस r by 100 to the power n. Now we will replace the terms whose values are given in the question. V0 will be replaced by 15,360 and 1 minus r is 25 by 2, so 25 by 2 into 100 and power n will be replaced by 3. Now we simplify. and get 15,360 under bracket 25 for the 100, and the terms under bracket is 1 minus 1 by 2 into 4 8. 1 minus 1 by 8 gives 7 by 8, and since there is power 3, so 7 by 8 into 7 by 8 into 7 by 8. By observation, we can say 8 into 8 into 8 comes 512, and 15,360 is divisible by 512 in how many times? 30. So we divide 15,360 by 8 into 8 into 8 in 30 times. The product gives the value of V, which is equal to 10,290 in rupees. So the value of the scooter after 3 years is rupees 10,290. Answer. Our next question is question number 5. A new car is purchased for rupees 2,50,000. Its value depreciates at the rate of 10% in the first year, 8% in the second year, and then 6% every year. Find its value after 4 years. This question is also like the previous one. अगर कुछ डिफरेंस है तो सिर्फ इतना ही है कि रेट ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन फर्स्ट ईयर में कुछ है, सेकेंड ईयर में कुछ है और थर्ड ईयर एंड सो ऑन कुछ है. फिर भी हमसे जो डिमांड किया जा रहा है वो यही है कि फाइंड इट्स वैल्यू आफ्टर 4 years. For this, obviously we collect the information and then proceed for the required value. Present value को अगर हम V0 से एक्सप्रेस करें तो we can say here V0 is 2,50,000. Rate of depreciation different है, so first year के लिए it is 10%, second year के लिए R2 it is 8%, and the rate of depreciation in the third year and fourth year it is 6%. So we mention it R3 equal to 6% and equal to R4. The final value which is sought after 4 years is unknown. So we proceed for V. V equal to V0 times 1. प्लस का साइन यहां पर दें या माइनस का साइन यहां दें, ये डिपेंड करता है कि इन द क्वेश्चन इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है, रेट ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन मींस ग्रोथ या रेट ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन. तो क्लियरली यहां पर डिप्रिसिएट्स वर्ड यूज किया गया है, सो इट इज द रेट ऑफ डिप्रिसिएशन. देयरफॉर वी विल मेंशन हियर माइनस एंड देन R1 by 100 into 1 minus R2 by 100 and then 1 minus R3 by 100 and then 1 minus R4 by 100. Now we will replace the values of the respective terms available in the question. जैसे V0 यहां पर मेंशन है 2,50,000, सो V0 को रिप्लेस कर देंगे 2,50,000 से, and then 1 minus R1 is 10%, so 10 by 100. 1 minus R2 is 8%, so 8 by 100, and 1 minus R3 is 6%, so 6 by 100, and 1 minus R4. R4 is also 6%, so 6 by 100. In the next step, 2,50,000 into 1 minus 10 by 100 gives 90 by 100. 1 minus 8 by 100 gives 92 by 100. So 90 by 100 into 92 by 100 and into 1 minus 6 by 100 means 94 by 100. Once again 1 minus 6 by 100, इसलिए 94 by 100 with 2,50,000. अब सबका प्रोडक्ट निकालने के लिए we will have to simplify it first. After simplification we find the value of V and it is 1,82,905.2 in rupees. Therefore the value of car after 4 years will be 1,82,905.2. Answer. This was all about the application of the compound interest formula in the sense of growth and depreciation. Thank you.